welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about our most recent project, which is fraud monitor systems. You can also say fraud detection system. You have listened to it most of the times when talking about ML models or AI. So, what is fraud detection system? Suppose a person is doing a transaction of dollars in hundreds for the last 2 to 3 years. But now a point reached when suddenly he is doing transaction in lakhs of dollars. So it is considered a fraud in AI systems. So far, there are total 57 transactions, and after every 3 seconds, it has been refreshed by system automatically. If there are any other transactions, they will be registered here. So, number of fraud detections are zero. Average intensity rate is 1.7 ms, and average amount transacted is $84.7. These are some classic and modern graphs that shows fraud rates. The number 13 transaction has the highest fraud rate of 19.28%. And here is the interference latency monitor transaction amounts and the risk. Also, the risk for number 13 is greater, and also for this. So these are the recent transactions so far, and after every transaction, fraud probability is shown. Also, it's telling is it legit or not. So we took this data set, auditlog.db and creditcard.csv. Okay. And we trained it on the basis of XGBoost model, which is the most used model so far in, I guess, in ML projects, and lightweight GB model classifier. We used these two models, and also we used a Smart as our handler, which made our work very much easy. So our most of the code is in front end. We use this dark theme. Uh, the front end is in Next.js. Because it is SEO friendly, and we also converted it in app. So we have also uploaded this into our GitHub, and the link of that repository will be available in the description. So don't forget to watch our code and run by yourself, so you have the better understanding of it. So see you in the next video. Thank you.